I'm in my swimsuit and thought, what the heck, I'll show you some scarf tricks while I'm in my swimsuit, because ladies, basically this is all the stuff you want to cover anyway, and this is a great way to show you. So you take the scarf and flip it one time so it looks like the butterfly wings, and then just take it and throw it up over your shoulder. And look, this is a great swimsuit cover up. It covers all the way down the arms and down the back, so I think that's kind of cool. You can always broach it to the left or broach it to the right. And if you don't know how to do the flip, take a brooch, put a brooch in the middle of the scarf, and then just throw it over your shoulders. It will stay in place. The other trick is, let me show you, and remember, if you just take it and put it over your shoulders while the flip is in the back, it centers itself in the back. So what it does is it naturally pulls itself this way, so it shows off your waist, and then again your arms are already covered and you look elegant because your chest is showing. This one takes me a little bit longer. You take it, throw it up over your shoulders. Now you can do this with any top you're wearing. So you pull under your tank top or shirt, whatever it is you're wearing, under. Hope the swimsuit doesn't come off here. And under. Okay, here's the tricky part. It's a swimsuit, so it's extra tight. Hang on. It's going to seem a little weird. So you want to pull it down the back to you feel that it touches the top of your, or it won't go any further, okay? Then what's really neat with this scarf is it's so long you can just take it and pull it. And look, it makes a cap sleeve. You could actually just wear it like this. It's a cap sleeve and it's just tucked under your top that you're wearing. That's great for daytime or just if you're going to meet friends for a cocktail hour. I think for the holiday season, if you take it and pull it up and let it blouse over the shoulders, then this is more elegant for evening. If you're wearing a holiday dress. Okay, keep in touch with me, The Princess on a Penny.